Hi, second grade. This week we're going to be looking at adjectives and reviewing them from our time at the beginning of the year. We are working with the specialist teachers this week to create a project for Mother's Day. And this is something, there's some art projects you can do from Miss Smith, as well as some activities you can do from Miss McGuire. And one of the activities involves writing for Mom and coming up with some adjectives to describe her. So we're going to do a quick review of those. So an adjective tells us, it describes nouns, so a person, a place, thing, or idea. It can tell us what kind, how many, what color, how something feels, tastes, smells, behaves, or how something looks. And I'm going to give you some examples. So for how many, it could be a number, or you could describe a quantity saying there are a lot or a few students in class today. Other adjectives can tell us what color, so it could be green, purple, aqua, yellow. The example I had was the ocean was blue and clear. And clear in this case would also be an adjective. Adjectives also tell us how something feels, tastes, smells, or looks. So some of the examples we had, it could be scary, beautiful, sour, soft, stinky, pleasant, fresh. And these again are words that help contribute to our writing. They make us stronger writers and give other people a clearer idea of what we're thinking or imagining. It could also tell us how something behaves. So it could be slow, sleepy, hyper, calm. In this case, we have the dog was sleepy. All right, we're going to practice this really quick. It says, look at the picture and use 3 adjectives to describe what you observe. So I'm looking at these flowers, and there's lots of different colors that I could bring in, and the colors are adjectives. So I have orange, I have hot pink, or kind of a salmon color. I have the green from the bushes, I have yellow and white, things like that. You could also describe how tall something is, the size of it, things like that. I'm going to give you a second to brainstorm a few, and then I'm going to give you some examples. All right, let's look. So some of the words I thought of were round. The flowers on the purple flowers are very round. The flowers on the bottom were tiny, so I wanted to describe it as that. The colors in the picture from all the flowers are very bright, and the lavender color popped out to me as well. If you have any questions about any adjectives, of course, please let us know. We are here to help.